Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Hulu app on your Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to open up the Microsoft Store, whether you have the taskbar icon or you want to search for it in the search menu with the magnifier glass, that's fine. I'm going to open up the taskbar icon here. And you want to select search up at the top. And you want to type in Hulu. Best match should come back with Hulu. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Get button. And then if you want to sync this with your other accounts, you can select Sign In, but we're going to select No Thanks. And there you go, guys. You can go ahead and launch the app, and then you would just sign into your Hulu account, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.